Hello people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on which part of the world you're watching from. It's Joe, your tech handyman. In today's video, it's a continuation of our series shortcut video editing. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to work with text in your video in Shotcut. If today is the very first time of you watching, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and anytime I upload, especially in this series, you'll be notified real quick. If you're ready, let's get started right now. So guys, open your editor like that and have it on your playlist, and of course the clip on your timeline. So go to filter once selected, click on this plus button, and then in the search bar just type in text. So once you type in text, there's text simple. There are other options, but I prefer working with text simple. So you click on it. Once you click on it, automatically you have the text on your video. In this case, you're having the timestamp on it. So if you play, you see the timestamp. Then you can actually use the hash sign. If you check the hash sign button, it plays the timestamp, but then with the hashtag. So there's another one, the frame. This particular one displays the frame rate per second of the video, which is useful for a whole lot of reasons. And here you can actually check the file date. So once you play, you see the date that file was created, and then the name, even the where you can find the file. In this case, it says intro, just like so. But we are going to do a custom text on it, so just delete that and type in whatever text you want to display on your video. In this case, I'm typing welcome to my first edit, just like so. So if I play the video, you can see the text stands right there. So from the middle here, you can move it around to any part of your video, the text that is. For instance, if I leave it here in the middle somewhere, that is how it will stay throughout the video. So I'll return it back to the default position. So, and it still plays right there. So you can decide to shrink by dragging the top left or right corner of the rectangle, dragging it down, and even in the middle to actually have exactly the size that you want. So by that, you can easily move it to any part of the video and position it however you want to. For instance, if I leave it here and play, you can see it's playing nicely. So this enables you to move the text to any part of the video that you may want to move. So quickly, let's format it. So just click on the font, and then this color pops up. Select the color. In this case, I'm going for solid blue like that. You can see it responds real quick. For the font, you just click on the name of the font. Right here, you select any fonts you want, and then I want to increase the size to 72. And then once done, click OK. You can see the font has been changed to the particular one I selected. So you can click on this, check this box to use the font, and that is done. For the outline, you just click on the outline, and select the color that you prefer. In this case, I prefer white. So for the thickness of the outline, you can increase it by clicking on the top there's an increase button right there. So for the background, just click on it and the color tray pops up again, so you can have it right here. Whatever color you select becomes the background color. You can see how nice the text is being formatted. So here you can control the size, and here the padding, I've increased the padding as it is 16, and it's placed here nicely. So that helps to highlight your text and of course position it properly. So right here, to animate this text, you use the preset. So you can actually animate it, but once you click on it after you have done, all the formatting will disappear. For instance, if I say okay, slide in from the top like so, you can see the formatting is gone, but the animation will take effect immediately. For instance, if I happen to play this one, you can see the text slides in from the top real nice, and then stands where the default position of the text was from the beginning. So what happens is that you should setting your animation first before you format, just like so, and you can see this one is formatted and the animation takes effect immediately. So you can actually select from this particular list, anyhow you want it to happen. For instance, if this one is coming in from the left, you can actually select another preset, you're to slide in from the right, you just select it and then play it again. You can see it's sliding in from the right. Now it is fast. If you want it to fade in, to come in slowly, there's a trick to that I'm going to show you in a jiffy. So what you need to do is just to drag the playhead and then to the edge of the clip. You know, if you hover it, this is like the chroma key, so just drag it along and then keyframe, that is, and then once you play, you can see the video fading in and out depending on the direction the keyframes you pushed it to. So guys, this is exactly how you play around with text on your video. So simple, and with a lot of practice you can get a hang of this. It's very simple to achieve in Shotcut, unlike some other editors. So right here you can even have the positioning, you know, the exact way you want it, the horizontal and the vertical positioning depending on what you select. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next. Bye for now.